The shipping industry is among the oldest industries around, transporting about 90% of the world's trade. Yet, the industry is widely regarded as slow in adopting technology. But as it faces pressure to operate more efficiently and profitably amid volatile trade patterns, regulatory changes and pricing pressures, the international shipping sector finds itself with no other choice but to embrace digitalization, as old-school methods are being replaced with digital solutions. Back in Malaysia, maritime players are making headway in their efforts to digitize. This includes STS Transfer Sendirian Berhad, a one-stop solution provider for marine services, offering a wide range of marine services with a focus on digitizing the marine industry.
The industry been status quo all the time, and it's a very conventional, non-integrated and high-risk industries. If we can see most of the players in this industry are getting old if we compare to the technology. So technology been very fast, and marine industry is still in the way of looking the solution to enhance with their operation.
Its latest initiative is the STS Transfer mobile app, a convenient and reliable platform housing the most essential functions for the marine industry, including vessel owners and operators. For the first phase of the launch, which is slated for 2020, services which will be made available on the app include STS Ship-to-Ship Transfer, STS Equipment, Vessel Sales, Pilotage, Bunkering, Vessel Chartering, STS Spot Location, Ship Care, Ship Agency, Marine Insurance, Vessel Tracking, Consultation and Vacancies. STS expects to add on more services in the near future.
Selain daripada dapat membantu pemain-pemain industri dari segi new revenue stream yang baru, aplikasi mobile ni juga akan dapat mempercepatkan transaksi operasi yang dulunya dibuat secara manual. Tapi dengan aplikasi ini kita akan dapat mempercepatkan aktiviti dan juga proses operasi ship to ship dan juga aktiviti-aktiviti lain yang ditawarkan di dalam aplikasi mobile ini.
About 3 million ringgit in capital expenditure was set aside for the development of the mobile app, which kicked off in October 2018. Prior to the development of the app, STS Transfer has managed to get more than 20 vendors on board, with a further 10 expected to be roped in by the end of the year. Among the notable names that will be offering their services on the platform are Maritime Network Sendirian Berhad, Kudrat Maritime Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, and Singapore-based Shipload Maritime Private Limited.
When you talk about your digital, it will be good because most of them will have a better view. Straight away they can get information up to date. Whereas the traditional method, you call me and I start working on papers and giving back information, sometimes different time zone. So whenever they want to work on certain parcel, everybody works urgency. When urgency is concerned, cost. So time factor. So digital, whenever the courses or all the courses, they can easily work as like world scale. They have all the rates, so they know, okay, straits, your break parcel in Tanjung Pagar, what is the cost? So that will help owners to make immediate arrangements and cost effective.
Once the app take place, at the moment what we are doing, we are just taking the files and putting in the files, and if anybody try to ask us for the documentation, we just need to dig the file back and just keep. If in this app we compile everything inside it, even the invoice also, I'm saving a lot of costs on the courier charges.
A platform like this actually can help make the information, I should say, more reachable, more transparent, to not just us but other players too. So what it means is really increasing the yield of asset utilization. When the yields increase for asset utilization, because there's more ways to people to know how to use the assets, the business profitability theoretically should go up.